The Aston Martin Valkyrie, a hypercar masterpiece. The Aston Martin Valkyrie is a groundbreaking hypercar that represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering and design. Developed in collaboration with Red Bull Advanced Technologies and legendary F1 designer Adrian Newey, the Valkyrie is a road-legal car with Formula One-inspired technology and performance. It is one of the most extreme and exclusive hypercars ever created, designed to push the boundaries of what is possible in a road car. The Valkyrie's design is a masterpiece of aerodynamics, with every surface and detail optimized for performance. Its sleek, futuristic bodywork features ground effect aerodynamics, similar to those used in Formula One cars, to generate immense downforce without the need for large wings. The car's underbody is shaped to create a Venturi effect, channeling airflow to produce downforce, while the active aerodynamic elements adjust in real time to optimize performance. The Valkyrie's design is both functional and visually stunning, with a low-slung profile, dramatic curves, and a cockpit-forward layout that emphasizes its racing pedigree. Powertrain. The Valkyrie is powered by a 6.5-liter, naturally aspirated V12 engine developed by Cosworth, combined with a hybrid system that includes an electric motor. The combined output is 1,160 horsepower, with the V12 alone producing 1,000 horsepower and revving to an astonishing 11,100 revolutions per minute. Electric-only mode. The hybrid system allows for limited electric-only driving, though the primary focus is on enhancing performance rather than efficiency. Acceleration. The Valkyrie can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per h, in under 2.5 seconds and reach a top speed of over 250 miles per hour, 402 kilometers per h. Weight. The car's weight is kept to an absolute minimum, with a target dry weight of 2,270 pounds, 1,030 kilograms, thanks to the extensive use of carbon fiber and other lightweight materials. The Valkyrie's chassis is a carbon fiber monocoque, providing exceptional rigidity and lightness. The car's construction is akin to that of a Formula One car, with a focus on minimizing weight and maximizing strength. The suspension system is a pushrod-activated inboard spring and damper setup, similar to those used in F1 cars, offering precise handling and responsiveness. The Valkyrie's interior is minimalist and driver-focused, with a focus on weight reduction and functionality. The cockpit is designed to make the driver feel like they are in a race car, with a Formula One-style steering wheel and a digital display that provides essential information. The seats are molded directly into the carbon fiber monocoque, with padding added for comfort. The driver and passenger sit in a feet-up position, similar to that of an F1 car, to optimize weight distribution and aerodynamics. The car features advanced telemetry systems, allowing drivers to monitor and analyze their performance on the track. The Valkyrie offers multiple driving modes to suit different conditions and preferences, including modes for road and track use. The hybrid system can be adjusted to prioritize performance or efficiency, depending on the driver's needs. The Valkyrie is an extremely exclusive car, with only 150 road-going units and 25 track-only Valkyrie AMR Pro models produced. Each unit is priced at approximately $3 million, making it one of the most expensive and sought-after hypercars in the world. The car's exclusivity and advanced technology make it a true collector's item, appealing to those who seek the ultimate in performance and engineering. The Valkyrie AMR Pro is an even more extreme version of the Valkyrie, designed exclusively for track use. It features enhanced aerodynamics, a more powerful hybrid system, and a stripped-down interior to reduce weight. The AMR Pro is capable of achieving lateral acceleration of over 3G and is designed to rival Le Mans prototype race cars in terms of performance. The Valkyrie is often compared to other hypercars like the Mercedes-AMG 1, McLaren Speedtail, and Koenigsegg Jesko. However, the Valkyrie stands out for its Formula One-inspired design and technology, making it one of the most track-focused and aerodynamically advanced road cars ever built. It is also compared to the Aston Martin Vulcan, But the Valkyrie represents a significant leap forward in terms of technology and performance. The Valkyrie is a testament to Aston Martin's ambition and engineering capabilities, showcasing the brand's ability to compete with the best in the hypercar segment. Its development has influenced future Aston Martin models, including the Valhalla, a mid-engined hybrid supercar that will sit below the Valkyrie in the lineup. The Aston Martin Valkyrie is a masterpiece of automotive engineering, combining cutting-edge technology, breathtaking performance, and a design that is both functional and beautiful. It is a car that blurs the line between road and track, offering an experience that is as close to driving a Formula One car as possible while still being road legal. With its limited production, extreme performance, and unparalleled exclusivity, the Valkyrie is a true icon of the hypercar world and a symbol of Aston Martin's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what is possible in a road car.